78. The air temp is 78 Fahrenheit. Follow car number 13 in the outside column.
Reach up there and pull those belts tight. One more time, Saturday night style. Boogity, boogity, boogity.
Let's go.
Let's go racing, boys.
Car outside. Clear high. Car high. Still there. He's still there. Hold that line. He's still there. He's still there. He's still there. Still there. There's a car outside. Hold your line.
Well done, Brandon. Good start.
Hold your line. Hold your line.
V28.
He's still there. Outside is clear. There's a car outside. Hold your line. Still there. Hold your line.
The leader has just done a 30.9. V26. You've just done a 30.5. The guy behind has just done a 30.7.
He's still there. He's still there. Hold your line. He's still there.
Brandon is now in the lead.
Hold your line. Still there. Still there.
My apologies.
Still there. Hold that line.
V27. You've just
Sorry
done
if
a
anyone did not mean to go
30.7.
there.
Hold your line.
So,
Still there. He's still there. Hold your line. Still there. He's still there. Still there. Hold your line. Hold your line.
V26.
Still there. Hold your line. He's still there. Still there. Still there. He's still there. Hold that line. Hold your line. Still there. He's still there. He's still there.
V24.
Still there. He's still there. Hold your line. You're clear on the high side.
B25. Your last lap time was 30.9. Alright Brandon, the next car is Ricketts.
Car outside. High side. Clear outside.
Got a full course caution, watch out.
Man, you didn't hear the caution come out?
Green flag. B35.
Car high. 3 wide, you're low. Hold your line. Clear high. High side. Still there. Hold your line. Still there. Still there.
B33.
Outside is clear. There's a car inside. Both sides clear.
Poulin is now leading. Full course caution, be careful. It looks like Jones, Cameron and Bearden have binned it.
I need a black clear at unsafe pit entrance and excessive speeding.